Okay guys, we are at London right now. We are going to Bengaluru. We're gonna reach soon. Do check-in also, and gonna go have some breakfast. Yeah. Okay guys, now I'm so happy because Kala is here. And sitting Kala Kala. English breakfast. My food right here. Which one was it that you wanted?
I wanted this one.
This yakudu. Okay guys, we are at London right now. We are going to Bengaluru. We're gonna reach soon. Di nyo yung Dubai. 당보 coffee.
Coffee itong day.
Okay.
Smooth.
I'm not getting the chocolate flavor, but still, it's not bad.
The flight deck senior first officer Dara Walsh, and due to the length of the flight, senior first.
We are about to fly. Okay, the British Airways excited?
Super.
Okay guys, I'm gonna be showing you things you get in British Airways. One, airports, and you get a blanket, and then this is the pillow.
Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and placed in your...
Okay guys, let's see what we've got for dinner. I've got some blackberry crumble and custard, some vegetables, not sure what that is, a bun, water. We have cheddar cheese, another cheese to go with crackers, and there is lime pickle and rice and chicken. Looks so yum.
have requested additional assistance to leave the aircraft, please do.
먼저 레소. 쇼파치즈 나와르 쇼지. 나와르 쇼. We are out in Bangalore. 여보, 지금 가왈리래 먼저. Bengaluru. 아니, 지린가니 Bengaluru 줬어. 나 immigration 거든.
예쁘다.
immigration. 이거 고백이 왔어. 나 immigration 줘. 그냥 못 낮추겠다고 탭스 어디 immigration 줘 아니. 탭스 저거 어디 아니 레스토랑에 나 지금 알았어. Oh, yes, Liz. One more.
오.
这是啊，眼睛。哦呀。这是哪做的？这个就学着啥做的的？南当的马里，土路就路去掉。Udupi Park. We're gonna have breakfast. Chai. 차라서 아주 차. 이 시모닝 좀 못돼. 시모닝 좀 못돼. 우와. I don't know what this is, but it's onion dosa. This is Brickhead Road, One Plus. Oh.
코리아 가라.
This is Church Street.
So far, so good.
Yeah.
Street.
Everything is closed because it's too early.
Seems like this is the place to be.
Yes.
Shoot some videos.
Yeah, because you can
Awesome.
see.
Photo shoots going on.
Yeah. Jojo.
Loads of just
Huh? Coffee.
coffee tomatoes.
Coffee. No, it's Americano. On the slower. I'm on the dire green tea. Choda ama gela oolong tea. On our way to the salon. 아마 이말에 아니 인가 된다 자 쳐다 지시스 아니 나 부디 슈퍼라라 아마 아직 자 쳐다 땅데요래 아마 동리로도 참말로 아야 아니 주이도 다링이 제요 말에 주즈 나올 조사 나올 전에 건다 남부나냐 트라이 친다 남부나니 쇼마스 다 커피 동네 니 세데르샤 니 로 드리드 미송 미 드리드 프로그램 정기도 와우. 와. Love the boot or tongue. Schoolboy. Diablo? Yeah. Crowd is crazy. Thank you. Wow. You might have to order the 카메라. 또 거기 너왜? 얘랑 유라시 네 칼라 네 뭐랑 냠도 됐어. 와. Me getting another tattoo, same studio. Oh, how does it know? Ata! Because I don't want to think about this. Either Tibet camp. Oh my god. Life's very good.
The leg is for him, not for you.
Which color you like?
Yeah, I like this one.
This one.
Yeah.
You look more pretty in this.
Now it's time for the moon and the star, guys. It's time for Tsering to get his sun tattoo with matching my moon. 상말로 nghe chị tattoo 사서 참나 꽃이 그시고요. 내가 nga pala lang chima. Hindi nangla ani nga dela moon ani dela nga star. Oh my god. Manyo ba charosis. Ini nge semoning jumoda. Tanda tsiring ji들이야. nge moon데 nga moon티라 ko sun chair이야. match 하시도. बहुत बड़ा है यार छोटा हाँ Tsering's first tattoo of his life oh my god Tsering there ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Mini sun. Looks good.
I'll do it from my phone.
He's just looking. Wow. Wow. Just wow. My God. What does it feel like? It stings.
It feels like ants are like biting you.
Ants biting you?
Bit by ants.
Oh.
Shitloads of ants.
Yeah. 야, 참말로 다리랑 뱅글로라 조그리 다리랑 망대시야 망대시. Wow. Guys, 추즈 중리 심사수 midnight and Brigade Road is still open and functioning. Motor road is to the Brigade Road 추중리 심네. ang azu hotel din line ba ya Church Street ki opposite rang la tu ani Ni khattu jare ende nge chachu chisasu amaning jira tongo. Sining jira tongo.
Wow.
Wow, kya baat. All right. All right guys. So nang nganju room lalli and can you guys imagine it is 12 midnight. Yeah. Chungi and we did not sleep from when was it? Last night? So it's almost like 24 hours we had no sleep. Manzo ni che nyamera. Le ni dene room la le chane chusu chicks nyai na. Ani dene ta ama da hunzu yora chama yum do yamachira. Ani ta su di su ni su sama chinira. Oh my god, that been that just ngazo ni che yumare. Ani guys, that's it. Tattoo sasu. Oh my god, the tattoo is so good. Ani, we are gonna go sleep. See you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.